Hello, good morning children. Now we are going to see the 12th chapter 5, codominance. So what are the topics we have seen is the one gene is over, then later incomplete dominance. Do you remember this? The violet flower into white flower produced a pink flower. So this is called incomplete dominance. These two are over. Now following this same one gene, there was another expression which was discovered. Now before that, this we are going to see in a blood group, human blood group. Human blood group is a good example for this codominance. First, I will explain certain things about you. The blood group, the blood has, this is the blood vessel. It has an RBC, right? Right. And the covering of the RBC is made up of certain sugars, certain type of sugar, right? And this sugar producing gene is called I, capital I. This is the gene. A particular gene is responsible for the production of covering of the RBC. This is what we are going to see now. Clear? Right. Right. Now, if you take the gene I, normally one gene has two alleles. So for example, tall, dark, violet, white, round, wrinkled. We have seen 7 different characters taken by Gregor Mendel. Now this particular gene has 3 alleles. How many alleles? 3 alleles. How to mention these alleles? One allele is called IA. Another allele is called IB. The another allele is small I. So there are 3 alleles. Based on this, when you do this crossing, what are the possibilities? I'll just explain you. Suppose I'll take here IA. Okay. The parent is with IA. What are the 3 possibilities of crossing? I can say this as a parent. One is contributing IA. The parent 2 is contributing IB. Okay. And how many alleles are there? IA, IB, I. Suppose parent 2, this you keep it as parent 1. Suppose when a parent 1 with IA and IA, you will get IA, IA. If the parent is like this, IA, IB. The parent is like this, you will get IA and small. Okay, come here again. What will be the condition? IA, oh sorry, IA, IB. Here, IA, IB, IA. See this one. Second one, IB, IB. Third one, IB, small I. So, based on these 3 alleles, because of 3 alleles, we get how many different types of blood group? 6 possibilities. 6 possibilities. That is what we have seen. But what will be this called? Blood group. This is gene nature. This is the gene nature. When IA is there, it is called A blood group. Both genes are A. IB is there, it is called AB blood group. When IA and I is there, again it is called A blood group. Dominant is there, no. A blood group. Again IA, IB, AB. This one, B blood group. This one, what is the type? B blood group. The last one will take, both the parents are like this, we will get another type called O blood group. That is why human blood grouping is otherwise called an ABO system. It's called ABO system. Are you clear, children? So there are possibilities are 6, and when both the parents are recessive, it is a O blood group. So based on this, there are 3 types of blood group. We have 1 A group, 2 AB group, 3 B group, and 4 O group blood. So these are the blood grouping. Clear? And what is the point here is codominance. We will see here. This is the dominant gene. Dominant gene. I will make it here to remember you. These two you observe. When both the genes are present, both the dominant genes are present, they produce both the parent character. The parent character A is also there. Parent character of B is also there. See, we have seen 2 examples. One is, can I write here? See, one is in F1 generation by Mendel, we have seen the F1 generation produced the parent character. That's the first. Second one, incomplete dominance we have seen, where in F1 generation, the parent character is not produced, a new character is produced, not of the parent type. But here, in codominance, what happened? In F1 generation, IA is also parent, IB also parent. Both the parent characters are produced. IA is also parent, IB also a parent. Both the parent characters are expressed. When both the parent characters are expressed, they are working together. That's why it's called codominance. Working together, producing both the characters. A is producing its character, B is producing its character. So this is a good example for codominance. And also, how many genes are there? In one gene, how many alleles? 3 alleles. This is the same is also a good example for multiple alleles. A good example for multiple allele. So, the same topic, when the question is asked as a codominance, the same thing you have to write. When the question is asked as a multiple allele, the same thing is also to be, you can write the same. Again, I will just give a revision to you. The human blood group is controlled by a gene called I. It has normally 2 allele, but here it has 3 allele. The alleles are mentioned as IA, IB and I. Okay. So we have taken one parent is with A and another parent is with, and two parents they have taken, right? When the cross is made. When a parent with IA join with IA, we will be getting gene like this, and this blood group is called the A blood group. IA and IB, the gene is like this, but the expression, both the characters are coming. That is why it's a new blood group called AB group. And this is the rarest group. Okay, the most common group is O. So 98%. The next second position is, this is more, A group. Then little more, little less I can say, and rare. This is the nature of existence of the blood group in the human population, I am telling. Now the I with the recessive allele, here as it is a recessive allele, it is a law of dominance says it must produce its character, that's why it's A. So this is called codominance, or example for a good example for multiple allele. Children, go through slowly. Ask your questions, any question I will explain, okay? Because I have seen some questions you have raised which is not relevant to genetics, which is actually a clinical biology. But anyhow, I don't want to reduce your interest, so I have answered. But if you are interested, you can ask any number of questions, I will explain. Bye children, bye.